In the previous videos, we introduced you to a new humanoid robot from Unitree, the G1 robot, and we showcased you a few actions or motions that it's capable of doing. In this video, you'll learn how to calibrate it. And we go ahead and start the robot already. So the calibration is done whenever you feel like the robot is drifting to one of the sides or it's not capable of doing the action that you want it to do. And it's therefore recommended to do the calibrations. All of it is done with the app, so to have it installed as well. For this purpose, it doesn't matter if you're connected over hotspot of the robot or with the Wi-Fi. And once in the app, we proceed to data, robot, and if we scroll down, we have a few options. The calibration can be done of IMU, the whole body motors, ankle motors, and limb motors. For this model, we'll go ahead and calibrate the IMU, the body motors, and the ankle motors. So we'll start off with the whole body motor, since this is a more time-consuming one. So in a nutshell, you'll still have the diagrams that tells you what needs to be done or in what position the robot have to be fixed. Also keep in mind that you need to assemble the protective frame and hang the robot vertically. This will definitely help you when calibrating the robot. So at first we need to initialize the calibration procedure. You show on the diagram. And in the next step, we have to twist all the joints of the robot anti-clockwise until the limit, as shown in the picture. And we'll go ahead and twist the joints. Keep in mind I have twisted anti-clockwise. So we have twisted this one, it doesn't go any more further. This one is also twisted all the way anti-clockwise, so I cannot push it anymore. So we twist this one to the limit, as well as return the hand of the robot until the limit. You have to do the same one for the opposite arm. So we have this one twisted all the way further. We have twisted this joint as well. The arm is also twisted to the limit. And this should try to be perhaps a bit more symmetrical. Now we have to twist the body itself anti-clockwise until the limit. Now proceed with the legs. So at first we grab one of the legs, twist it anti-clockwise. Now twist this joint anti-clockwise until the limit. And this joint as well. We lift its foot as well. We do the same one on the other side. So we take this leg and anti-clockwise. Yes. We have this one to the limit. So this is what the robot should look like before we proceed with calibration. It should correspond somewhat to the diagram shown in the app. We go ahead and press the calibration button. This should take into the effect the calibration. We press on reset. So once the settings are set, we can exit the calibration procedure, and at this point we have to restart the robot in order for the calibration to take the effect. You have at this point twist also joints back as they would be like. In case you got lost, and if you have a brand new robot, you have those rubber patches on the sides, and this tells you it should be on the inside of the robot. So this hand is twisted properly. Go ahead and twist this hand as well. And we're back to starting position. So now, once we restart the robot, the Calibrate will take the effect, and we'll try and see if we able to walk the robot shortly. In case that something was calibrated wrongly, and you would see the red light above the blue light, as well as once you initiate the robot, then it won't work properly. It's a sign that something went wrong during the calibration. So the robot is connected. Following the standard procedure, we'll first enter the damping mode, then elect to standing mode. We have to turn on the remote controller, otherwise, yeah. So here we are, the robot is up and running. For this part of the video, we'll try to steer the robot with the remote controller that comes with the G1 robot. So we'll go ahead and follow the sequence of entering first the damping mode, and then lock standing. Something went wrong during the calibration process, since the upper body is calibrated but the legs are crossed. This is an example of a wrong calibration. And before proceeding any further, we'll go back ahead and enter the damping mode and try to recalibrate it once again. So now we have recalibrated the robot, and we'll try to test its walking motion. So go ahead and enter the damping mode, and then lock standing. See, it's adjusted its posture, so now it should be able to keep its balance. So we can lower it just a little bit, so the feet that touches the ground. And now we enter. So now it's in the walking mode. We can release it actually completely. For now, to see how it's walking. So we are almost good to go. We'll try to do further calibrations to see how it is done. So we will try to hook up, for the safety purposes, back to the protective frame, and walk it back just a little bit. and we enter the damping mode once again. We can also calibrate the IMU of the robot. In order to do this, we proceed once again to Data, Robot, IMU. It shows you that the robot has to be hanging vertically, and by pressing Calibration Start, make sure that the pose is right, and the calibration was successful. Good. Last but not least, the ankle motors can be also calibrated. We once again have to make sure that the robot is kept vertically. We initialize it. So at first it tells you to adjust the feet of the robot. So this will need to lift it just a bit more by facing them downwards. Now we have to adjust it back, face them upwards. And we press once again reset, and now we're good to go. Our robot is fully calibrated. Thank you for watching.